I will do something very special, changing the world. As I was 12 years old, I stepped into the world of meditation. I was asking questions about my love life, the exams at school. The answers kept coming and they were very concrete.
She was very curious as a child.
This was the first time that I felt there is something more in this lifetime than just this physical body. I developed my own method of connection with the spirit world, my own method of channeling through which I was able to get very spot on, clear guidance and messages.
This was the time that I knew that this is just the beginning.
Sooner or later, people from all over Slovenia and later even people from all over the world heard about me and started coming because they were surprised to find out that it is possible to receive such spot-on answers to their life's questions.
I have the great privilege of witnessing firsthand how hundreds of thousands of people's lives have been transformed through her work.
I always say that Tjaša and her work is absolutely next level.
She sees the real you.
She is changing other people's lives with the way she's living her life.
I'm Tjaša Dorelay, a channeling medium from Slovenia, Europe.